The 2022 Ford Equator 3-row SUV has finally been revealed. The model has been developed under the Jiangling Ford joint venture and set to launch in China in coming months. Dimensionally, the new Ford SUV measures 4,905mm in length, 1,930mm in width, and 1,755mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,865mm. This makes it bigger than the global spec Ford Everest. The styling of the new Ford Equator is rather unique, starting up front with a pair of slim LED daytime running lights framing small headlights. There is a large upper front grille along with a lower grille framed by a pair of fog lights. Out back, the Equator has LED tail lights with a light bar connecting them, along with a large Equator script that lies below Ford's blue oval badge. And there are dual tailpipes protruding from the bottom of the bumper. Ford Equator gets premium interior with a 12.3-inch TFT instrument cluster joined with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Admittedly, this reminds us of the MBUX system in Mercedes-Benz cars. The infotainment system offers connected car technology and comes with an artificial intelligence-based voice assistant and AR augmented reality navigation with 3D maps. Other features on the SUV include automatic AC, a panoramic sunroof, electrically adjustable seats, etc. The 2022 Ford Equator is powered exclusively by Ford's 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol motor that's good for 221 brake horsepower and 266 Newton meters. The SUV gets front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive optional systems. It can be had with either a 6-speed automatic gearbox or a dual-clutch automatic transmission.